Hello everyone, this is Sagarika from Campus Technology, a portfolio company of Times Internet. Let me just share my screen. So today we are going to learn about graphic designing, the meaning of graphic designing and its types. So firstly, let us begin by understanding what graphic designing is. Graphic designing uses visual and textual elements such as typography, photography, iconography, and illustrations to communicate ideas or messages which therefore influence your perceptions. It is most commonly utilized for projects, events, campaigns, or products and usually aims to help the producer connect with their related users or target consumers. Some of the common examples of graphic designing include the marketing materials that you find around yourself, such as the flyers, brochures, product packaging and labels, the website layouts, infographics, web and social media advertisements, t shirt and apparel designs, etc. Graphic design creates aesthetics that maximize usability. On the surface, graphic design is about attracting a target audience using visual elements such as graphics, color, and typography. However, the craft must also take into consideration one vital element, which is user experience. This is particularly true for those working in the field of user experience design, which we popularly call as UX design. Along with considering the visual appeals of graphics, it is extremely important for designers to consider the brand value for which they are creating those designs. This means not only considering how a button on a sales page, for example, must look stylistically, but also where it should be placed on the page to enhance both the user's experience and conversion rates. Graphic design also creates visuals that shape users' emotions. Graphic design is strongly connected to the emotional design, such as designers must take into consideration the viewer's emotions, expectations, and beliefs. So let us take a look at the various types of graphic designing we have in the 2023. We have visual identity graphic design, we have marketing and advertising graphic design, user interface graphic design, publication graphic design, packaging graphic design, motion graphic design, environmental graphic design, and lastly, art and illustration. So we'll go through each of them one by one. Firstly, we have visual identity and graphic design. What do we mean by that? A brand is a relationship between a business or organization and its audience. A brand identity is how the organization communicates its personality, tone, and essence, as well as memories, emotions, and experiences. Visual identity graphic design is exactly that, the visual elements of brand identity that act as the face of a brand to communicate those intangible qualities through images, shapes, and colors. Designers that specialize in visual identity graphic design collaborate with brand stakeholders to create assets like brand logos, typography, color palettes, guides, and the recent trending designs. Next, we have marketing and advertising graphic design. When most people think of graphic design, they think of designs created for marketing and advertising. Companies depend on successful marketing efforts to tap into their target audience's decision making process. Great marketing engages people based on the wants, needs, awareness, and satisfaction they have of product, service, or brand. Since people will always find visual content more engaging, graphic design helps organizations promote and communicate more effectively. Some of the key examples of marketing and advertising graphic design includes postcards and flyers, infographics, the banners and the billboards you find on the road, magazine and newspaper ads, the brochures, both in the form of print and digital media. Next, we have the user interface graphic design. A user interface is how user interacts with a device or application. The user interface design is the process of designing interfaces to make them easy to use and provide a user-friendly experience. A user interface includes all the things a user interacts with: the screen, keyboard, and mouse. But in the context of graphic design, the UI design focuses on the user's visual experience and the design of on screen graphic elements like buttons, menus, micro interactions, and more. UI designers specialize in desktop apps, mobile apps, web apps, and games. They work closely with the UX, which is the user experience designers, who determine how the app works, and the UI developers who write code to make it work. Next, we have the publication graphic design. Publications are the long form pieces that communicate with an audience through public distribution. They have traditionally been seen as a print medium, and currently, in recent times, we also have the digital medium in the form of publishing. Publication design is a classic type of design, such as the books, newspapers, magazines, and catalogs. Graphic designers that specialize in publications work with editors and publishers to create layouts with carefully selected typography and accompanying artwork, which includes photography, graphics, and illustrations. Publication designers may work as freelancers, as creative agency members, or in house as part of a publishing agency. Next in line, we have the packaging graphic design. As the name suggests, you see, most products require some form of packaging to protect and prepare them for storage, distribution, and sales. But packaging design can also communicate directly to consumers, which makes it an extremely valuable marketing tool. Every box, bottle, and bag, every can, container, or canister is a chance to tell the story of a brand. Packaging designers create concepts, develop mock ups, and create the print ready files for a product. This requires expert knowledge of print processes and a keen understanding of industrial design and manufacturing. Because packaging design touches so many disciplines, it's not uncommon for designers to find themselves creating other assets for a product such as photography, illustrations, and visual identity. Some of the key areas packaging graphic designs are included in are the labels you find, the print and the industrial designing factories, children's toys, and the various food and beverages packages which are designed. Next in line, we have the motion graphic design. Simply put, motion graphics are graphics that are in motion. This can include animation, audio, typography, imagery, video, and other effects that are used in online media, television, and film. The medium's popularity has skyrocketed in recent years as technology improved and video content became the king. Motion graphic designers is a somewhat new specialty for designers. Formerly reserved for TV and film, technological advances have reduced the production time and costs, making the art form more accessible and affordable. Now, motion graphics is one of the newest types of design and can be found across all digital platforms, which has created all sorts of new areas and opportunities. Environmental graphic design virtually connects people or visually connects people to places to improve their overall experience by making spaces more memorable. You can design various graphics to make those places interesting, informative, or easier to navigate. Environmental design is a broad type of design, and some of the key examples of them are the wall murals, signage, office branding, store interiors, and museum exhibitions. Wayfinding is a specific type of environmental graphic design that consists of strategic signage, landmarks, and visual cues that help people identify where they are and where they need to go so that they can get there without confusion. Environmental graphic design is a multidisciplinary practice that merges graphic, architectural, interior, landscape, and industrial design. Designers collaborate with people in any number of these fields to plan and implement their designs. Because of that, designers typically have education and experience in both graphic design and architecture. And lastly, we have art and illustration. Graphic art and illustration are often seen as being the same as graphic design, however, they are each very different. Designers create compositions to communicate and solve problems. Graphic artists and illustrators create original artwork. Their art takes a number of forms, from fine art to decorations to storytelling illustrations. Even though graphic art and illustration are not technically the types of graphic design, so much is created for commercial use within the context of graphic design that you can't talk about one without the others. Graphic artists use any combination of media and techniques to create their work as they collaborate with writers, editors, publishers, and marketers. They'll often have a foundation in fine arts, animation, or architecture. Overlapping skills and apps make it possible to find graphic designers who also work as graphic artists and illustrators. I hope you all liked my video. Thank you for listening.